This bird once blocked out the sun, not clouds, not a storm. Birds, passenger pigeons, once numbered over 5 billion in North America. Their flocks were so massive the sky stayed dark for hours, sometimes days. People thought they would never disappear. Then humans arrived with guns, nets, and greed. They were hunted by the millions. Their forests were destroyed. By the early 1900s, almost none were left. In 1914, the last passenger pigeon died, from billions to zero. Not because of nature, because of us.